The goal of chinuch is to teach them these internal midos, the strengths of character.
The Talmidim here are excited to learn, they're inspired to grow.
The importance and love of Torah, Midas Tevis, appreciation for Tefillah.
This is exactly what we're about.
You send them off in the morning and they are loaded up with Gemara, with Chumash, with Hashkafa.
There's a ruach, there's an energy, there's a vibrancy which is palpable.
Whether it's launching an HP Connection Hashgacha Pratis program, whether it's trying to get the game room up and running, whether it's Mishmar.
There's constantly things that are happening.
Every yeshiva has Rebbeim that care, but our Rebbeim take it to a whole new level.
When there's a love for a Talmud and there's a care and concern for a Talmud, then the sky's the limit.
Whether it's a past Talmud, a present Talmud, a future Talmud.
It's not a warmth that's superficial, it's an actual real caring.
The overall feeling that we try to give over is that we're there for you, we want you to be successful.
It really comes down to the sterling Rebbeim and staff that we have here.
I love the Rebbeim. They take it personally. I feel like we have a real partner.
Every time I see them, how's Yaakov? How's Shlomo? How are they doing? How was Shabbos?
It's something I think we excel in such a high level. The beautiful thing about our Rebbeim is that we work together as a team.
And the teachers are constantly meeting to discuss different ways to enhance the curriculum.
Jerry Grossman is extremely positive.
See his warmth and his excitement and his avodas Hashem hopefully will transfer over to our children.
He really understands what it takes to be able to make a Talmud turn into that true Ben Torah, to help them get to the next level.
We're focused on the learning, we're focused on Torah, we're focused on Midos, but we also know that they need time to relax, to play sports.
The boys learn healthy competition, play against other schools. Our 8th grade accelerated math students are taking a high school level course and are working very, very hard at it.
The number one goal is, I want to connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. I want to be like the role models that I interacted with.
That's what we're trying to produce, and I think that's what we do.
We are the bridge between elementary school and high school, and the goal of our General Studies department is to prepare them to succeed and be successful in high school.
What was done yesterday doesn't mean it will be good for today, and they're always looking to improve.
We always have an open ear and an open eye to what's happening and looking for new opportunities to make ourselves better. That's really what we're about.
My kids love it. You don't choose a school or yeshiva based on boys' satisfaction rates, but I feel in this yeshiva we got both. We got the learning and we have the satisfaction, so for us that's a plus. They have met and exceeded expectations, and we're just very blessed that we have such a great yeshiva with great Rebbeim.
We want to give our kids a very healthy, out-of-town, great place for them to grow and shine. And the Torah RMS family of schools really gave us what we were looking for.